The polar plunge is about to begin. I'm meteorologist Joe Martucci. Lots of cold air here in the Great Lakes states and in Canada that will make its way southeastward into our region over the next couple of days in between our big low pressure system over in Quebec and then our high pressure system out here in the Central Plains. Something else that's going to help keep us cold too is our snow cover. Look at all the snow cover here across the area and notice where our cold air is coming from, the north and west. So what it does, it helps to keep cold, that air that moves in. 56.7% of the country does have snow cover right now on March 4th. That is very high here for March. Compare that to this time last year, and you notice this whole section of the country was snow free. So we do gain about 15% more snow cover just from that storm that swept through the country yesterday and throughout the weekend. Here comes our cold temperatures, and again, these are our wind chills throughout the next several days here. And these are afternoon wind chills. These are wind chills during the day on the mainland during when most of us are out and about. This doesn't even take into account the morning wind chills when you're first heading out the door around 6, 7, or 8 a.m. Very cold here, 18 degrees. That's going to be it for Wednesday. During the morning, single digits is likely before we start to rebound. But notice all 4 of the days here, very cold. And looking at our temperatures here, the last time we usually on average see a temperature at or below 32 when it comes to air temperature, February 20th. This is for our low temperature below 20 and our low temperature below 15. We will see all of this at some point, and you do notice, at least when it comes to the high temperature below 32 and a low temp below 15, that we are later than average for that by about 2 weeks or so, but we are not bringing the latest of all time here. So this is unusual, but not extremely rare cold here for early March. So what do you want to wear for the next couple of days? Well, generally you're going to want the jacket, that's for sure here. And then on Wednesday, you want that big old jacket there, probably for the last time here, hat and gloves. And then Friday, you want the raincoat and possibly even the snow boots, as we have a system that we are tracking for the end of the week before winter as we know it ends this upcoming weekend. Numbers for this evening, sliding down through the 30s and into the 20s here as we have a clear sky and winds lighten up. For tonight, 18. That's all we have for places like Estelle Manor and Folsom. And then over at the shore, Sea Isle City, Avalon, going up into Long Beach Island. In Atlantic City, too, in the mid-20s. Want that coat, plus the gloves and the scarves on a star-filled sky. Then as we go into Tuesday here, temperatures in the mid-30s. Lots of sunshine, but still temperatures about 10 to 12 degrees below average for this time of year. Mainland 7-day forecast. Again, wind chills in the teens on the Wednesday. 27 is all we're going to get down to for our high temperature. That will be tying the record set back just 2 years ago, and then we slowly rebound. There's that rain and snow we're talking about for Friday, and then we flip over to the shore, and as we go into the weekend, milder seasonable temperatures, which is about 50 degrees by the time we get towards next weekend, and then we have a rainstorm coming for Sunday. For the latest in South Jersey weather, you can follow us on social media, Facebook and Instagram over at JoeMartWX, Twitter at AC Press Martucci, and thepressafac.com/weather.